This one's gonna be credit card scammer versus no nonsense cop.
Do you have an ID on? Don't run across the street. Foot pursuit. She's running up try. Middle of Clifton.
That's not gonna work.
What is going on? I didn't
Looks like you're under arrest.
Keep your hands. Stop resisting.
What did I do?
Turn over. First of all, do not grab on me.
No,
you
I
understand me?
What did I do?
Oh, this one went 100 to started at 100. That's
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Then why are you running?
Because I didn't know what was going on. I didn't do anything.
Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
What is the problem?
Spread your feet.
Who is this person? Hold on, what do you mean?
Stop. I'm searching you.
For what?
Still.
For what?
Bro, who is this person to a cop? Was that her?
Right now, you're under arrest for a minimum of obstruction.
Please. Please.
Turn away from me.
I have PTSD.
Okay, well, let's make it easy.
Can you just let go? Just let go, please.
No.
And it's actually kind of a smooth excuse if it's real.
No. Get in the car. Get off. Get on my. Do not grab my taser.
No, I'm not.
You
Oh,
are.
no, she's done.
No, I'm not.
It's gone.
Please help me. Help me. Help me.
Get in. Do not kick me.
I'm not helping.
Why do they struggle?
Can I stand outside?
Unbuckle it.
Just let me stand outside. Please. Can I stand outside?
No, you're under arrest.
No. No.
Get back.
Wait, please help me.
You're gonna get more charges. Get in the car. You're under arrest.
For what?
Something you're resisting arrest.
For what?
Close the door already. Gee. Man, it took forever. I give him that. That was a stupid ad.
Fighting? No, she was sprinting across Clifton. She ran away from me for no reason. Her shoes are over there.
Please let me open the
She
door.
ran without her shoes.
Please. Please.
We're gonna have to search her even better when we get there.
Yeah.
Because she was.
What did I do?
Yeah, y'all didn't even search her, man. We spent all that time fighting with her for what?
Right now.
Excuse me, I'm PTSD. Please, I'm a mental health patient, please.
I cannot make you any promises, but what I can tell you right now is I need you to calm down.
I didn't do anything. Give me kindness.
I need to know who you are, number one. So tell me your first name.
I don't even know who you are, though.
I don't know.
We can't help you unless you cooperate.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, that's fine. But I still need to know who you are. Well, first of all, you ran from police.
Yeah, bro, that's never the move. Even if you didn't do anything, don't just start running. I mean, they're going to immediately think you did do something.
Okay, so why run?
I didn't know nothing.
Okay.
I thought someone was going to be pursuing me.
Yeah, she's really tiny, so, I mean, you probably can't even lock those things hard.
No, I'm not. I'm just right here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please. I just am in pain. Please, I'm in pain. Can I just sit down on the ground? Can I sit right here, please?
Bro, they just need, like, a taser thing, but it just, like, knocks you out, you know? You'd think the taser would do it. And, like, really calm you down a little bit. I don't know, because this just works them up. It's just uncomfortable for everybody. Like, she is panicking and everything, but you did do something wrong. So, what can we do here?
No. Stop. Stop for 1 second. John. Hold on.
I would never hurt anybody.
Hold on. She was already out of the handcuffs. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out what she's trying to hide.
I'm not trying to hide anything. Okay, I'm a mental health patient. I have PTSD.
Fake seizure.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Please listen to me. I was afraid. I have PTSD.
It's not a valid excuse. What?
I don't have anything.
What did she do?
Please, can I just stand
There's
for
no contact.
Can you open the door? Can I leave the door open? Please. Please, can I do this, please?
In the last video, we had way too much context. In this one, we don't have any.
What your name is?
Yes.
Get in the seat.
Come on.
Just please.
We've had her before and make fake seizures.
No, I don't. I've never had you before.
Oh, my flashlight flew off somewhere. Do you see it? Oh, I'm not going to grab that. I'm going to get killed. Where was she walking? She was walking. She
came out of the front doors of the days in. I saw her. She started like kind of booking it a little bit, like picking up her feet. So
I know. I was looking over there to see if she threw something.
Please, will you listen to me?
Sure. This is where we're going to be. Pick up that bag for me.
I'm not anything harmful, but please.
What is your first name?
Hospital.
What is your first name? The door is open, like you requested. Now I want your name. You are being detained right now.
But then I can.
It is up to you if you get arrested. Okay? So cooperate with me, and I will make this easy for you. If you do not cooperate for me, I will make this very hard for you. Okay. You will go to jail.
Dude, I will say, I feel like the women cops are better at this part. I feel like maybe the apprehending them part, not so much sometimes. Sometimes. Only sometimes. But, I mean, the dudes just be making fun of them and stuff. They don't try to get any real information.
Okay. Okay?
All right.
What is your first name?
Victoria.
Cards. My cards. Did they say anything?
We're still in the middle of the investigation, so.
I was the person.
You called in, right?
Called
yeah.
in.
So yeah, you should stay out here because we need to talk to you. Or did you drive?
No, I just walked.
You walked.
Because I walked down to CVS and they were doing transactions.
Okay.
And then they walked me over to the Days Inn.
Okay.
Do you understand?
That guy seems a little bit sketchy.
What is your last name?
Came out of the front door.
Look at me. What is your social?
May I please ask you a question?
Hey, get away from me for a second.
Yeah, move. Y'all are
What is your
easy.
social?
But please, can
Where
you
do you
listen?
live?
I don't have anywhere to live right now.
Okay, were you staying at the Days?
No.
Days Inn?
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I was visiting a friend.
62 copy of the
May I please ask you something?
You may.
What did she do?
Well.
He can get his stuff.
And I'm supposed to go to detox. Please don't put me in jail when I'm supposed to go to detox. I was supposed to go. I'm an inch away.
Okay.
But I was going.
He just happened these two alerts come by his phone, lived by CVS. So as he's going there, he sees two alerts come by his phone, but somebody's using his card now at CVS in Lakewood. So he goes over there and he's like, well, who's using my card? And they're like, that lady right there, which is the one we have detained at the Days Inn. She says she got the card from Anthony and this female, and if she's saying another female, she's like, she's going out the front doors right there, and that's when
She started running. Stand by.
Are you? Can you
I'm listening. What do you need to tell me?
So she stole somebody's credit card and was using it. Totally makes sense why they were chasing her down.
I don't care about a warrant. What do you need to tell about? Tell me.
Right in the middle of the road.
What?
Can I not go to jail?
Tell me.
Oh,
You're
this
looking
is
for
just
Anthony,
pathetic.
right?
Are we?
I'm not. I'm looking for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you went running. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay, I don't either. I just got scared and I have PTSD.
Okay.
Look, I know
Very
I
good.
have a warrant, but the thing is, I'm supposed to go to detox.
Where's it out of? Where's your warrant out of?
Honestly, I don't know. I might not even have one, but
Figure it out then.
here's the thing: if I do,
Uh-huh.
am I able to go or not?
And when did your card go missing?
It must have been last night. I went to Buckeye with my girlfriend, and either it fell out of my pocket, or maybe somehow it was inside on the floor and someone picked it up.
What times were you there? Like, what time did you go and leave? Approximately, it doesn't have to be exact.
Yeah, it was around 9:30.
That you left?
Yeah, because we were there to watch the Bengals game.
Okay.
Okay.
The medics are here to talk to you. It's not going to stop you from going to jail. You're going to go to the hospital if you need to go to the hospital, and then you're going to go to jail. You're going to go to jail regardless. So don't think because you want to go to the hospital, you're not going to end up going to jail. Okay. You just keep.
All right.
Okay.
First, I already talked to the guy for a second over there.
Okay.
What's hurting you? Don't you worry.
Ooh, what's up?
He's sore somewhere that
It's
we
on
don't
my
know.
wrist. It's my wrist. I can't see
She's
it.
saying she can't see it because it's.
It's covered up.
I'll see it. Don't you worry.
Oh, it's really good.
She's making stuff up.
Or it's on the front of the back of the wrist.
Only one transaction had run in whenever I walked into the store, and I'm talking to the guy. We're like right in front of the registers, and I'm like, oh, another charge just happened right now, and she was right there. And I was like still talking to him.
Oh, she was physically standing there when the second transaction went
Would
through.
she like pay for a room or something?
Yes.
Was that the 90 or the 112?
9.
Okay.
Oh, like that's like $200.
And I was talking to him for a second, and they walked outside, so I didn't see what happened.
How long long have you had this open sore?
It's been getting really worse in the last few days. I was supposed to go.
When?
Okay, yeah. Then she's gonna go to the hospital and jail.
Okay, walk, sir. You have to walk in the hospital.
Getting released.
But throw him in there with her.
You guys are bringing her to the ED?
Am I getting released? I'm really grateful.
Oh, imagine that. You reporting a crime, you get them all arrested and everything, and you walk across the street. Hey, man. Sir, sorry. Hands behind your back.
Thank you. I did not mean any harm at all.
You almost got one of our officers run over by a car. What about that?
I honestly didn't even realize what I was doing.
Or
I was
yourself,
scared.
for that matter.
Yeah, it's a little bit dramatic, but no, y'all did run out into the street, though.
Down in the middle of
She was charged with resisting arrest and obstructing official business. She is innocent until proven guilty
That's
in
it?
a court
No
of law.
fraud?
My favorite thing about the
Maybe they just haven't gone through with it yet. But hey, that was a pretty good one, though. Next one's gonna be 21-year-old woman turns misdemeanor into felony.